Ganda ng kulay. Sayang, di naka-block si Wesley. Lipat to Pastoral. Ryan Lipat, jump step. Back to Bernard Lewis. Pastoral, no good. Avila, no good. Wesley, crosses over. Napakabilis ng laban na to. Allow. Avila, no good. Bernard Lewis, upstep, no good. Takbuhan na labanan. Wesley for 3. Too strong by Wesley. Pau. Sabi niya set lang daw. So Lipat crosses over. Huli ka. Ang bilis ni Lipat. Grabe siya. Grabe si Mariales. Molina again. Grabe ka. Nabalik mataba ko. Puro kay Molina. Number 8. Wow, kanya pa rin. Pump fake. Pull-up chain. No good. Kanya pa rin. Yes, sir. By number 8. What a play. What a hassle player. Guarding from number 8. Magila. Solid nilipat. Pangilinan. No good. No good ni Pangilinan. Molina crosses over for 3. No good. Palagbagan. Mirallanes. No good. Ryan Lipat. There's a trophy. Kanya pa rin. Napakasipag. Pastoral for 3. Woo! Makila crosses over. Back to Molina. Crossover inside to Makila. Ang bibilis nyo, Wesley. Pasa lang pala yun. Ang bilis nila. Hindi ko mahabol. Molina, pull-up J. What a play coming from this team. Nakakalito kayong kalaban. Crosses over. My goodness. Grabe naman yun. Sayang hindi na-convert. Allow. Sabi niya setting down. But there's Pastoral trying to deny. 5-2. Wesley. There's a foul for Wesley. Ganda ng serving, Wesley. Makila for 3. No good. Wesley recovers the ball. Wesley crosses over. Behind the back. Back to Allow. Rejected by Paulo. Uy, Paulo nagpapadali. But there's Makilang pinitbit. Wala. Recover ni Lipat. Bernard. To number 8. No good. Number 8. To Pau. Yes, sir. What a play. Come from number 8 to number 18. Still pushes for another chance. What a game. Number 42 to number 40 to number 39. Molina. Too short. Time remaining. Last 15 minutes. Mirallanes crosses over. Good yan. Pastoral. Uy, deny. Wesley. Uy, up and over. No good by Wesley. Lipat. To Pangilinan. Paulo. Crosses pass. Yes, sir. What a board vision. Coming from Paulo. What a player. Special shout out to Montanya. Kamusta ang balikat mo, boss? Buhay pa. Molina again. No good. Miliares. Nagagawan. Same ball. Score natin. 9-2. Score kayo. Tropang Tansa. Habol-habol. Tropang Tansa. Tansa Cavite. Habol. Avila. Avila. Up and under. No good. Sabi ni Lipat, set lang. Popaw. They are too quick. They are too fast to recover to the defense. Mapipilis ang kalaban. Pull up J. Too short. Number 11 recovers the ball to Bayapor. Paulo Pavik. Drop set. Bounce pass to number 8. Yes, sir. By number 8. What a great player. Score natin, 11-2. Makilang, crossover. Up, napakabilis. Sayang, ang gwapo sana ng galaw. Number 8. Too short. Wow, power rebound by Lipa. Pero nasundatan. Sayang. Grabe sa talon si Lipat. Para may pakpak. Miliales for 3. No good. Battle inside. Uy, what a play coming from Miliales. Pinatama kay Paulo. Wesley. Dire-diretso. No good. Number 8. Paso Lipat. To Pastoral. Deny. By number 42. By Avila Alao. Sabi ni Alao, hindi pwede sa akin yan. Number 8. Pull up three. Mid shot, no good. Number 39 crosses over. Molina using his quickness. Up and under. Wow. 4-11 for 3. No good. Ang bibilis no. Wesley, underneath pass. Wow! Ang hilig nyo sa up and under, ha? Paulo! There's a foul. Score natin, 11-4. In favor of offensive team. Score, time remaining, last 11 minutes. Paulo to number 11. Wow, what a fadeaway jumper by number 11, Yabor. Grabe ka, boss. My goodness. Humihiga sa ere si Yabor. Sabi niya, night-night. Wow, 4-3. What a celebration. Woo! 37. Number 11, number 8. No good, Pastoral recovers the ball versus Wesley. Wesley behind the block, Pastoral nakalusot kay number 8. Too strong, sayang. Ganda ng galaw ni CP3. Miriales for 3. No good, Lipat. Way too strong. Good yan. Wesley. Pero handa sila. Long 3. Woo! No good. Wesley again. No good. Lipat. To Paulo. Number 18. Or 2. Long 2. Yes, sir. By Paulo. Yes. Step on the line. That's 2 points. Makilang for 3. No good. Wesley. Recovered in number 8. Paulo. Crosses over. Using his quickness. Wow! What play by Paulo. 17-7. Makilang. Pinitpit. Parang sasalpak. To Paulo again. Paulo. To Lipat. Back to number 8. Drop step. Inside. No good. Grabe. Munti ka na. Yes, sir. 4-2. What a play coming from Makila. Pastoral. Crosses over. Sayang. Good play. Miriales. 79. Wesley. Teardrop. No good. Recover ni number 11. Number 11. Crosses over. Lipat. Handa. What a play. Wow. Sayang. Nakangiti si Sir pagpasa. Paulo. Deny. Paulo. Number 8 open. Lapas to number 5. Too strong. Sayang. Miriales. Cross is over. Miriales. Pass to Wesley. Wesley. No good. To Makila. Makila for 3. 12-70. Molina pala yun. Dalawa-dalawa kasi ipilito nyo eh. Ha? Ano pa kayo? Last, ang score natin, 70-12 in favor of defensive team. Number 11. Paso Pau, stolen by Wesley. Allow. Dire-diretso up and under. No good. Number 8. Pasa kay Pau. Nadulas ang bola. Wesley. To Molina. Molina for 3. Yay! Bang! Bang, 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 bang! By Molina. Sabi ni Molina, bantayan niyo ako! Titira ko yan! Marami ako niyan! Grabe ka, Molina! Grabe ka, Molina! Uy, number 8! Good! Molina again! Crosses over for 3! No good. Recover niya. Sobrang sipag. Pastoral for 3. No good. They are falling in love with trees. My goodness. Pau. Inside. Miriales to Pau. Line ball. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan nyo. 17-15. Whoever wins this game will advance to semifinals. There's a foul. For 3. No good. Pau. Yes, sir! By Pau Vlogs. Meron na naman ako pang reels, sabi ni Pau. Meron na naman ako pang TikTok, sabi ni Pau Vlogs. Number 5 to Ryan Lipa. Ryan Lipa to Pau. To number 8. Wow! Sayang, too strong. Allow. Back to Molina. Sabi niya, i-tres ko to. No good. Wesley na doon. Pass to Allow. Yes, sir. By Allow. 19-17. Dalawa lang ang kaalamangan ng depensa. To number 11. Number 11. No good. Molina stops and goes. No good, kanya pa rin. Buti na lang nandun si Pastoral. Behind the back. Upstep to Ryan Lipat. Sayang. Miriales, what a great defense coming to Miriales. Miriales, binitbit off the glass. Pastoral to number 8. Behind the back pass to Lipat using his body. To Pau Pau. Back to Lipat. Back to number 8. To Pastoral. No good. Number 8. Inside stops. There's a foul. 1970. Time remaining. Last 4 minutes. Please be ready. Game 4. Team 4 and Team 5. Please be ready. Bernard Umali, James Ko, Lim Hugh, Levi Yapor, Angelo Alardi, Jave Kilas, Joshua Orozco. Makilang! No good. Pau Pau. Too short. Number 8. There's a foul. Time remaining. Last 3 minutes. Number 18. To number 11. Number 11. Yes, sir. Number 11. Dire-diretso na. Last 2 minutes. 21:70. Makilang! Makilang! Allow! Allow! Sayang. Allow nga. Number 8. Number 8! Pinitin! Kanya pa rin! Sayang! Makilang! Makilang for 3! No good. By number 3. Pastoral crosses over using his body. Pastoral! Court to court. No good. Number 39, Molina stops. Pull up, 3, no good. Nandun si Lipat. Sabi ni number 11, akin yan. Same ball. Same ball. Tinapik mo. Kitang-kita ka ng 4 yung mata. Number 18, Paulo. Paulo, inside to number 8. Pop. Yes, sayang. Inalog na naman. Number 43, Miriales. Miriales! Too short. But there's a foul. Hindi umuhulog ang tira ni Miriales. Score natin, 21-17. Last 1 minute and 28 seconds for 3. No good. Pastoral to Paulo. Paulo, open. Yes, sir. By Pau Pau. 23-17. For 3. No good. Lipat crosses over. Wow, but there's a foul. 23-17. Last 50 seconds. In favor of. Habol kayo. Whoever wins the game will advance to semifinals. Pastoral. Back to number 11. Wow, fadeaway jumper. Grabe. Last 40 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. No good. Number 8. To Pau Pau. Pau Pau. Yes, sir. By Pau Pau. 15 seconds. Wesley. Half court.
Bang!
Bang, bang. Kamay, kamay. Kamay, kamay. Kamay, kamay. Okay.